In this video I will show you how to make a collage on iPhone without a third-party apps. Open the shortcuts app from here. You need to download this app, or sometimes you will find it by default in your iPhone device, and click on it. And after that, tap on the first option, which is the gallery option on the right down corner. And from here you need to search for only photo, search on only photo, and click on the first shortcut, which is photo grid. And from here tap on add shortcut and click on the shortcuts option from here, and you will find it, the first one. Click on it, and after that I will choose 4 pictures from here really quick, and after that tap on add on the right top corner. And as you see from here, he added 4 pictures. He combined them together. So I will click on the share icon to download it on the left down corner, and tap on save image from here, and tap on done on the right top corner. And after that I will exit the shortcuts app, and I will open my Google Photos or Photos app, the gallery app, and I will find them right here as you see. And if you need to do it again, just open the shortcuts app and you will find it right here every time you want to combine together, if you want to make a collage. And that's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.